This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for April 28, 2022. It's currently March 25th, 2022, 1:18 a.m., over a month ahead of the date of this prediction. And the overall theme and behavior, the prudence card, probably the hardest card in the deck for me to interpret. Looks like multiple false bottoms here. We drop and then we return to where we dropped from. So kind of like a fake out, like maybe it looks like we're gonna go lower, but then we turn around. Yeah, so we've got an opportunity here, a decline down from the pre-market, right? And we continue downward. Looks like we reach a support level around like late morning, and then we turn around and we move higher, higher. So there's a trade opportunity in there for sure. It looks like here, and then here, or actually here, and probably the end of the day. I'll look at it further. This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for April 28th, 2022. It's currently April 8th, 2022, 11:12 p.m. The prudence card in the theme position, I try to avoid this card as much as possible. It speaks of it's likely multiple false tops, false bottoms, or some sort of intentional fake out. It looks like we have a U-shaped dip here. Trade opportunity right around the open. A lot of price swings. It looks like there's a sideways S in the first half hour, so a sideways S kind of pattern where we go like in the first half hour, a day's high between roughly 10 and 11. Congress is also highlighted there. There's some sort of agreement around the low here. So there's a low correlator in the first half hour, high correlator in the, between 10 and 11. So we go from a low first thing in the morning to a crest, and then it looks like we drop back down here again between roughly, let's say between roughly 11 and 12 o'clock. And that's where I'll be getting out of my puts that I've been holding for several days. It looks like I bought them back on the 25th. If I followed all trade plans, I will have bought them on the 25th, which when watching this video will be in the past. Oof, blows my mind sometimes. In any case, so then we have a move higher, and this is where I need to be prudent. There's a push higher off of support, roughly midday, continues into roughly the 10 to, continues to roughly 1 to 2 o'clock hour. There's a dip, a U-shaped dip in the midst of that rally. And then we have something regarding Congress again, something that was hidden comes to light. There's another a day's higher crest here between roughly between roughly 2 and 3, and then we have a push. There's sideways fluctuation with a downward trend, and then moving into the last hour, and then in the last hour we have a fast sudden move higher, especially near the end of the day, from which there's profit taking, because it looks like we'll be overbought on the RSI, and there'll be profit taking at the end of the day. But this is overall an opportunity for me to close out of those. Matter of fact, it looks like it's an opportunity for me to open long positions, not necessarily close out of short positions, but open long positions in the morning, and also between roughly 11 and 12 o'clock. There's a failed attempt to break a resistance level and a decline, highlighting something going on in the following day. But this is a big day for Congress. Lots going on with Congress, both at the near the high and the lows for the day, guys. And that's April 28th, 2022. Hit that like button if you like this sort of thing. And don't forget to hit subscribe and share the word, my friends. Oh, and if you're interested in trading, guys, check out the Webull. I have a Webull referral code. You can go, or referral link. You click on that link, open up a Webull account. We both get 10 free shares of random stock. So if you're interested in doing that, guys, hit that link and do it through there. Please support the channel, guys. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.